the channel. Today we're gonna be making a 3-ingredient coconut coffee body scrub. It is super easy to make. We only use 3 ingredients and they are all natural. We're gonna need ground coffee, some coconut oil, and vanilla essential oil as well. So first thing we're gonna do is go to the kitchen and make ourselves a cup of coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna be making my coffee with a French press, but you can use any other type of gadget to make coffee. Use coffee machine, espresso machine, anything works. And the reason why we are using pre-used coffee is because we don't want all the extract to be in our scrub, right? Because otherwise it's gonna stain our skin. So make sure you use pre-used coffee. Leave it here for a few minutes. But if you're like me, I personally drink a lot of coffee. You don't have to make the coffee the same day. It can be just like make the coffee the morning before and don't throw your coffee away so you can use it for your scrub. I put the coffee in a small container and now we're gonna head to our workstation. So the first step will be to pour our coconut oil into a small container, and you want to fill it up around halfway. So once we have poured all our coconut oil, we're gonna start by pouring our coffee grinds, and we want to fill the rest of the container with them. The next step will be to mix both of our ingredients together. Once we're halfway through mixing our ingredients, we're gonna add 5 drops of vanilla essential oil. And this is not mandatory, but it will make your scrub smell super nice. Now we're gonna finally mix all our ingredients together till they are all combined. Last step, guys, will be to close our container and give it a good shake. And voila, your scrub is all done. So there you guys have it, coconut and coffee body scrub. Just heads up guys, this is a body scrub, so I wouldn't put it in my face because it will be too rough. Our skin in our face is really sensitive, so no. A few tips to use it. I usually use this scrub the day I am gonna shave, just because when I scrub it, it opens your pores, and then when you shave, it cuts the hair from the roots, so then it takes longer for the hair to grow out. So that is just like my to-go. Use it when you're gonna shave, and just in general, whenever you use it, your skin is gonna be super soft, hydrated, and it's just gonna feel amazing. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my video today. Don't forget to drop a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!